Is Kate in? No, she's gone out. Has she borrowed my car? Yes, I think she's taken your keys. Here's the map, she hasn't gone far. She's lost her bike, perhaps it's been stolen. She's been looking for it everywhere. What have you done? You look different. Oh, you've cut your hair. It's very wet, we've had a lot of rain. It's been raining for a while. I've been doing the clothes washing, and it's become a wet pile. Have you seen Jim recently? No, we haven't seen him for ages. He's been working very hard. Hope he's got good wages. Have you ever been to Tokyo? No, I haven't. I've been to London and Rome. I've traveled to France a few times, but lately I've been staying at home. I've heard Big Ben and seen the Eiffel Tower. I've looked at the Mona Lisa. I've walked across the harbour bridge and I've leaned on the Tower of Pisa.